number 3 or number 4?
I think it's the third. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Welcome back. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we are Backyard Musings broadcasting live, Apple Valley, California.
Science and Technology and Word Butchering Channel.
Another exciting show for you today.
Yeah.
Bermudensis, a newly discovered copepod, reveals Bermuda's hidden cave biodiversity and the need for stronger habitat protection. Bermuda's Walsingham cave system is home to a rich variety of cave-dwelling animals found nowhere else in the world. Now, researchers from the University of Cambridge, the Bermuda Institute of Ocean Sciences,
Bless you.
sorry.
Bless you. Must be the backdrop from this plane.
And the Senckenberg and Meer German Centre for Marine Biodiversity Research have added a new copepod species to that list. The findings were reported on May 20th, 2025 in ZooKeys. Would you like to know more?
This doesn't have anything to do with the Bermuda Triangle, does it?
Yeah, that's the same Bermuda.
Is it the same area?
Yeah, that's one of the tips.
That's pretty scary. Copepods are among the most diverse crustaceans living in habitats ranging from freshwater ponds to the open ocean. These tiny creatures are some of the most abundant animals in marine plankton and play a vital role in global food webs.
I did not know that.
I did not either. Despite their importance, much of their diversity remains unknown, especially in hard-to-reach environments like underground caves.
The new Bermudian copepod, Tetragonoceps bermudensis, was first collected in 2016 by Sahar Kodami, Pedro Martinez Arbizu, and Leocadio Blanco Bestial from the Bermuda Institute of Ocean Sciences and the Senckenberg and Meer German Centre for Marine Biodiversity Research.
The team reached Roadside Cave through a narrow passage in Bermuda's ancient limestone bedrock. However, it was not until 2024 that detailed analysis confirmed T. Bermudensis as a completely new species. According to the researchers, like other members of Bermuda's cave-dwelling fauna, Tetragonoceps, right?
Gonoceps.
How about we just call it TB?
TB.
Okay, not tuberculosis TB, but this thing. Named after the country where it was found, it may be an ancient, early diverging member of the evolutionary group. Alongside other ancient crustaceans in Bermuda's caves, it has survived in a secluded and fragile underground ecosystem with few predators or competitors.
You called this Roadside Cave, right? Roadside Cave, yeah.
That's what it says.
What a weird name, man. Is this like a cave alongside the road?
Yeah.
Quote, the new species of copepod crustacean, T. bermudensis, is the first of its genus from Bermuda. Did we read that? As well as the first known cave-dwelling species of the genus anywhere in the world, and only the second within its family, Tetragonocepitae. Did I say that right?
Good enough for me.
Says lead author Giovanni Mussini of the University of Cambridge Department of Earth Sciences. Quote, this finding from Roadside Cave adds to the great diversity of endemic crustaceans and other cave fauna found in the island's network of limestone caves, end quote.
The team only found one female egg-bearing individual at Roadside Cave, a small cavern in Bermuda. It is hard to estimate just how rare the new species is based on a single specimen, but the finding suggests a correspondingly limited area and a probable endemic status, consistent with the high degree of endemism, typically of Bermuda's cave-dwelling fauna. The researchers write in their paper in the journal ZooKeys.
Roadside Cave, where the new species was found, may face threats from urban development, vandalism, dumping, littering, and pollution, and sediment disturbance due to unlawful access by humans and domesticated animals, which makes protecting this small creature all the more urgent. The researchers call for formal protection of the cave and for robust enforcement of existing measures to protect its precious fauna.
The discovery of this species highlights that there remains a cryptic diversity of cave-dwelling species still to be discovered, even in a densely populated island like Bermuda, whose hidden underground biodiversity is all too often overlooked, Musini says in conclusion. So, yeah, this is pretty interesting. But why do people have to do that? Why do people have to go in and destroy stuff and take stuff and leave stuff?
People do what they got to do.
And look and enjoy and let somebody else be able to do the same thing. What is that that credo that we have? Don't tread on me.
Yeah, that's a Navy credo.
Leave no trace, right?
Yeah, don't tread on me.
Yeah, leave the place cleaner than it was.
It's the same
before you got there.
It's the same as Marines deploying to a third world country called Los Angeles to fight foreign insurgents.
Yeah, we talked about that, right?
Yeah.
Those and I have to reach out to our mutual friend who happens to be an officer, not only an officer but an officer.
Active duty in the Army.
In the Highway Patrol.
Oh,
I saw that those cars were being pummeled. on the freeways.
Yeah.
And man, I hope these people, and I have family that's LAPD, and they don't. Yeah, this is baloney. They don't need that stuff. Come on, peaceful protest. Don't throw things. Don't burn things. Don't destroy things.
Hillary Clinton says it is peaceful protest.
Yeah,
so is Karen Bass.
Yeah, and
and Gavin.
Yeah, we're not going to say his name.
No,
yeah, the governor and those people they're buffoons. They're just buffoons. Give me a break.
All right, folks, we got Cameron trying to crash us, so we're going to jump off. Yeah, he was standing there.
All right, take care, everyone. Thanks.
See ya.